Good morning, Heather here. I wanted to come on today and explain to you how I would get rid of an unwanted subject in an image. So I'm just going to use this one as a quick example. What I would use is the stamp tool. To just make a new layer, so I'll grab this one, make a new layer, and I'll use my stamp tool. I'm gonna get rid of my subject here with the stamp tool. So I'm going to make my stamp tool a little bigger. You just hit Alt and select the area you want to copy, and I'm just going to find the right size here. We're just gonna stamp this down and just redo that again. Okay, again, I'm just gonna select some of the sky here to get rid of her hair. And I'm just readjusting the sizes and everything to match them up. Now I'm gonna go over this ear a little bit to get that rope, but then I can go back in and fix the ear. So I'm just gonna actually select this part here. And you just wanna keep selecting areas of your image and painting it out. It's really simple to use this stamp tool. So when you get to the one on the elephant's ear, I'll explain what I'm going to do with that. But right now, just keep working away at this arm. What you could also do is select more off to this area as well. Alright, so once I kind of got that, we're going to go back into the elephant ear here and start selecting that to get some of this fingers off here. Go back in and get the rope back off. So that's pretty good. Go back into this one. Alright, so once you've got it all stamped out, the next thing that I always do is get my patch tool, and then I'm just going to patch the sky. Kind of get that more blended in. And same with the ear, like there's some little spots on the ear here. You just kind of want to blend in with the patch tool. Alright, so now I have no girl on my little elephant here just by using the patch tool. So there's before and there's after. Was just a quick explanation on how to use the patch tool and the stamp tool to take out unwanted subjects. I hope this was helpful to you. Please comment below what you'd like me to make a video of next, and subscribe to this channel. And if you want more information on Photoshop and compositing, and you can also follow me and connect with me on Instagram. We'll see you there. Thanks. Bye.